Hey you guys, look what came in the mail. My box from the brand Label. I love this brand. They are so creative. I've been supporting them since the beginning and I'm so happy to have another piece added to my collection. They're literally like collection pieces where I'm gonna put them in my like closet museum. So I only ordered one item this time, mainly because of sizing. I want to lose some weight. I don't want too many things in a size I don't want to be. But this dress was too cute not to get. Let me see if I know how to open this. Oh, I showed you it the wrong way. That is the right way. So I'm just gonna open this up and show you what I got. They have so many cute things. I have on prints today, but I am really into solids right now, which is crazy because I have been a print girl my whole life. But because I'm planning this event, Galentine Vibes, and we have a color block theme, I've been trying to collect pieces that I could potentially wear to Galentine Vibes next year. So I don't know if you have been, but you may be guessing what I got because I already said it has to be, one color. Oh, this is so cute. They have a whole peacock theme. I read the symbolism of the peacock on their page. I do not exactly remember, but that is so cute and so true to the collection. Like, who does that? Who does that? That is so cute. Be your own brand. And then look at this detail. A peacock feather. Come on. So the card says, thank you for shopping with the brand Label. We have made a special effort to ensure that our garments were designed with purpose for women who value fashion, style, and creativity. We hope that you are satisfied with your purchase. Your support is ever appreciated. Please tag us in your photos. I'm going to tag you guys in this video. I hope you see it. So this is just about if I need to exchange. Very professional. It's giving. It's giving. So here, well, you guys could see it, anyway. So this is the dress I got, the orange one. I absolutely love burnt orange, orange, like the orange fruit orange, any orange. And it's crazy because when I was a child, my mom said her favorite color was orange, and I was like, orange, mommy, orange? But I get it, mommy, I get it. So this is the dress. See it here, hubby? You like it? Fabric is super nice, and it's gonna go like that. So it shouldn't be too revealing, I hope. And then obviously the nice puff sleeves, zip back. And I love when items are very well constructed. I love constructed pieces, not just sewn together pieces, but constructed pieces. I don't know what it's called, but this has like kind of firm thing, almost like a corset would have. It has that type of body, and I love that in a garment. Super, look, this is underwire, so that may be a little bit of an issue for some people, especially for some people with bigger boobs. But I love when pieces are well constructed. Like I said, their pieces are almost like statement pieces, almost like museum, they're works of art. I have two pieces in my closet. No matter what size I get to, how much weight I drop or lose, I will keep them because they are just so beautiful, so well constructed. So here's the full thing. It has this ruffling tear detail. It's kind of like an organza. You guys, I'm not a fashion seamstress person, so if I get it wrong, correct me. But I think organza, when it's shiny like that, you guys correct me. I got a size large. And maybe, should I try it on for you guys? You want me to try it on? Maybe I will. Maybe I will. So I will go and try it on and I'll see. But I love it straight out of the box. I encourage you to support this brand. And yeah. And the price is super great too. That's another thing. Like, you will not find this quality at this price anywhere. Well, not in the US. So definitely try to support. Take a look at the collection. Have fun. And remember, you're collecting. You will be a collector of the brand Label. Have a great day, and I hope you enjoy your purchases. I think that's the best thing, when you can enjoy what you buy. Anne Klein has a quote that clothes don't change lives, but the women who wear them do. And I totally believe that, so that you will feel like such a beautiful boss babe in your brand. Bye.